In this first spine-chilling encounter, around the hour when silence envelopes most places, two vigilant security men on duty hear an unsettling sound reverberating through the hall they're patrolling. With a mix of curiosity and caution, they decide to investigate further. As they approach the source of the noise, their nerves are on edge, and their senses heightened. Suddenly, their cameras capture a spine-chilling moment that sends shivers down their spines, a sight so eerie and inexplicable that it compels them to hastily retreat from the scene.
Cuando hace frío es por algo, digamos. ¿Dónde escuchas, boludo? Acá hay ruido en toda la escuela. Pero sí, boludo, ¿no escuchaste? ¿Me escuchás? ¿Me escuchás, boludo? ¿Me escuchás? Ya, boludo. ¿Escuchaste, boludo? Sí, boludo, para mí que por allá. O ahí, no sé. Mira, mira. ¿Dónde? Por acá era. No, boludo.
In this mysterious surveillance footage, after the office closes for the day, a surveillance camera continues to record, capturing an inexplicable phenomenon. A spooky shadow moves stealthily from one spot to another within the office space. The atmosphere is eerily quiet, with only the faint hum of electronics in the background. As the shadowy figure glides across the room, it seems to defy logical explanation, prompting speculation about paranormal activity or unseen forces at play. In this unsettling dashboard footage, a lone, blurry figure stands ominously beside the road, its presence casting an eerie shadow in the moonlight. The figure's appearance is ethereal and ghost-like, prompting chills down the spine of anyone who views the footage. As the camera zooms in, details remain elusive, adding to the mystery and uncertainty surrounding this spectral encounter. In this unsettling footage, after settling into their new home, a family becomes increasingly aware of strange occurrences hinting at a haunting. Their suspicions are confirmed when surveillance cameras capture a spine-chilling moment. A female ghost passes through the house, her presence reflected ominously in a nearby mirror. The atmosphere becomes tense as the family grapples with the realization that they are not alone in their new residence. As the footage unfolds, viewers witness the ghostly figure's ethereal movements, raising questions about the history and intentions behind this spectral visitor.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this paranormal footage, a father sets up his camera to record his son playing video games for their YouTube channel. The atmosphere is cozy and lighthearted as they banter about the game, unaware of what's about to unfold. Suddenly, in the midst of their recording, something inexplicable and spooky appears on camera. The father's expression changes from amusement to sheer disbelief as they witness a chilling presence manifest on screen. Watch closely as this unexpected and eerie moment unfolds.
Ya suyo, ya la tienen ahí. Ya la tienen ganada. Eso. ¡Qué pro! ¿No se dio la canción?
In this spine-tingling moment, a little girl, lost in her own world, dances joyfully in the living room. The atmosphere is serene until an unexpected twist changes everything. In the background, a lone, dark figure passes by, barely noticeable at first glance, sending a chill through the air. As if in response to the eerie presence, the door slams shut on its own with a resounding bang. The girl's innocent dance abruptly halts as she senses something unsettling.
As the little girl.
In this touching family moment, a father and his son are seen together on the bed. As the father steps out briefly to fetch something from another room, the son remains behind. Suddenly, the son's demeanor changes as he notices something eerie or unsettling. Watch closely as the son calls out to his dad, drawing attention to a spooky moment that unfolds unexpectedly.
Scary friend.
In this cozy home setting moment, a girl notices the surveillance camera inside the house, which mysteriously starts working again after being inactive. Delighted, she calls her mom's attention to the camera, capturing the moment on video. Encouraged by her mom, the girl's younger sister poses playfully for the camera. However, as they record, something eerie unfolds. Behind the younger sister, a doll inexplicably turns to face the camera on its own. Watch closely as this spooky and unexplained event adds a chilling twist to their innocent recording.
Mami, mira, ya aprendí a grabar, voltea. Sí. Ay, Jasmine, ya aprendí a grabar, enana. Ay, me quiero.
In this eerie events moment, troubled by a series of spooky events inside his home, a man takes matters into his own hands and installs cameras throughout the house to capture the unexplained occurrences. The decision proves unsettlingly effective, a camera in the kitchen records a chilling moment, perhaps a glimpse of a ghostly presence or inexplicable movement. However, the eerie incidents don't confine themselves to one room. Throughout the house, even when his family is present,
Oxi. Que diacho que é isso? Tá achando que eu tenho medo? Tem medo não. Se eu demonstrar medo aqui, aí que ele vai querer se aparecer na frente. Oxi, que é isso? Abrindo um negócio ali. Se eu demonstrar medo aí que... Se eu demonstrar medo aí que o negócio fica... Mas eu mesmo assim não tem medo não. Tem medo não. Acho que eu vou lá pra casa de mamãe, né? Acho que eu vou lá, só pra ver como é que ela tá.
the cameras continue to document unsettling events, strange shadows, unexplained noises, and objects seemingly moving on their own. Each recording adds to the mystery, leaving the family puzzled and anxious about what unseen forces may be sharing their living space.
Nossa, você pode ver. Tudo escuro. A dona tá ali, suave na nave. E eu vou mostrar pra vocês como é que é às 3 horas da manhã aqui em casa. Não são exatamente 3 horas, né, gente? Mas é 3h33 agora, 34.
A lone female ghost is captured on camera as she passes through the same area. The surveillance footage reveals her ethereal presence moving quietly and mysteriously, recurring without fail each evening.
Salgado. Apimentado.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.